Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your privacy with Apple, complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Settings app on your Apple device. Scroll down and select Privacy. Here, you will find various options to manage your privacy settings. First, review location services. Tap on Location Services at the top of the screen. You can choose to enable or disable location services for all apps. If you want to customize settings for individual apps, scroll down and select each app. Choose from options like Never, Ask Next Time, or while using the app. Next, check the Tracking section. Tap on App Tracking Transparency. Turn off the option that allows apps to request permission to track you across apps and websites. Now, let's move on to ads. Go back to the Privacy menu and tap on Advertising. Turn on Limit Ad Tracking to reduce the information advertisers collect. Next, consider your contacts and photos. Go back to the Privacy menu and select Contacts. Here, you can see which apps have access to your contacts. Remove access for any apps you don't trust. Repeat this process for photos by selecting the Photos option. Now, let's review your microphone and camera settings. Select Microphone in the Privacy menu. Check which apps have access and disable any that you don't want. Do the same for camera access. These settings enhance your control over sensitive information. Next, head to Safari Settings for further privacy control. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Safari. Enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking to block tracking cookies. You may also want to enable Block All Cookies for stronger privacy. Consider activating Fraudulent Website Warning to protect against deceitful sites. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.